सो मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी जो कि इंडिया की वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं, उसके फॉर्म्स अब खुल चुके हैं एंड फॉर्म फिलिंग के प्रोसेस में स्टूडेंट्स हैव अप्रोच मी टेलिंग मी बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जिसमें गड़बड़ हो रही है और यूनिवर्सिटी ने ये बोला है अगर आपके एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में कोई भी गड़बड़ हुई तो योर एडमिशन माइट नॉट बी फाइनलाइज्ड. So please look at this video in which I'm going to walk you through what is a Mumbai registration criteria in 2024. Also note इस साल यूनिवर्सिटी ने अपनी प्रोसेस में बहुत सारे चेंजेस करे हैं. So please watch this video till the end so that you can get updated about all the changes that has happened with Mumbai University registration this year. So आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना है, गूगल खोलना है एंड आपको सिंपली मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी सर्च करना है. So आप अगर सर्च करेंगे मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी एडमिशंस, सो लेट्स से हम लोग सर्च करते हैं मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी एडमिशंस और देखते हैं ये पूरी स्क्रीन आ रही है. अब इस पर आप देखेंगे बहुत सारी वेबसाइट्स हैं, mu.ac.in एडमिशंस, mu.ac.in UG एंड PG एडमिशन 2024. ये जो सारी आपको ऊपर जो भी वेबसाइट्स दिखा रही हैं, यू डोंट हैव टू गो टू दिस वेबसाइट. दिस ईयर दे हैव मूव टू अ डिफरेंट वेबसाइट विच इज बाय द नेम ऑफ मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी समर्थ. तो मैं इस एडमिशन के बाद समर्थ भी डालता हूँ ताकि मुझे एग्जैक्टली वो वेबसाइट मिल जाए. सो दिस ईयर आई हैव मूव्ड, so this year Mumbai University has moved to a different website which is called muadmissions.samarth.edu.in. so आपको इस वेबसाइट पे जाके रजिस्टर करना है. काफ़ी सारे बच्चे एक दूसरी वेबसाइट पे जाके एडमिशन मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी डिजिटल एडमिशंस पे रजिस्टर कर रहे हैं एंड दे आर सेइंग कि सर कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. ऑब्वियसली कुछ नहीं होगा, यू हैव टू गो टू द राइट साइट टू रजिस्टर. सो गो टू दिस वेबसाइट एंड क्लिक ऑन न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन. सो न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन आप जैसे ही करेंगे यहाँ पे आपको बता देगा क्या क्या आपको इंपॉर्टेंट इंस्ट्रक्शंस ध्यान रखना है. सो यू हैव टू हैव ऑल द डिटेल्स विच आर करेक्ट. जो आपकी 10th की बोर्ड मार्कशीट में हो, आपको रजिस्टर्ड ईमेल आईडी देना है जिसके थ्रू आपको सारे ईमेल्स आएंगे, तो वो आपको ध्यान रखना है. एंड यू हैव टू यूज ओनली द एक्टिव ईमेल आईडी क्योंकि उस पर आपको सारे अपडेट्स आएंगे. सो प्लीज डोंट यूज एनी ईमेल आईडी, या तो जो पुरानी हो या फिर इसका आप पासवर्ड भूल गए हो या फिर उसका आपको आप एक्टिवली यूज नहीं करते हो. तो प्लीज अवॉइड यूजिंग दैट. एंड देन देयर आर कपल ऑफ अदर इंस्ट्रक्शंस. सो यहाँ पे मैं अपनी डिटेल्स डालना शुरू करूंगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फिलिंग इन डिटेल्स. सो नेम, then you can put in your date of birth. I'll just quickly put in my date of birth over here. Your email ID, as I said, email ID is extremely important so that you don't fill incorrect email ID and आपको फिर मेल से अपडेट ना आए. तो प्लीज़ इंश्योर करिए आप सही email ID भरें. They're asking me to confirm my email ID, so I'll just quickly do that. पासवर्ड. सो पासवर्ड का एक क्राइटेरिया होता है कि सब अपर लेटर्स हो, लोअर लेटर्स हो, कुछ अल्फा न्यूमेरिक कैरेक्टर्स हो, कुछ नंबर्स हो. सो आप उसके हिसाब से अपना पासवर्ड सेट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, मैं अपना पासवर्ड डालूंगा. उसके बाद आई विल जस्ट क्विकली पुट इन माय मोबाइल नंबर. एंड आई विल री एंटर माय मोबाइल नंबर. एंड जैसे ही आप रजिस्टर पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको यहाँ पे दिखाया जाएगा कि आपकी ईमेल आईडी पर एक OTP भेजा जाएगा और आपकी मोबाइल नंबर पे भी एक OTP भेजा जाएगा. We'll just quickly check that OTP. You'll just quickly enter the OTP that you have received. You'll enter this code and we'll click on submit OTP. जैसे ही आप सबमिट कर देंगे तो आपको ये नई स्क्रीन दिखाई जाएगी. यू आर बैक टू द सेम स्क्रीन दैट यू वर प्रीवियसली. अब इस बार आपको न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं करना है, इस बार आपको लॉगिन करना है. तो हम लॉगिन पे क्लिक करेंगे एंड यहाँ पे अपना रजिस्टर्ड ईमेल आईडी पुट इन करेंगे एंड अपना पासवर्ड पुट इन करेंगे और ये कोड पुट इन करेंगे. ओके जैसे ही आप अपनी डिटेल्स पुट इन करेंगे, आप अपने लॉगिन आईडी पुट इन करेंगे, सो दिस इज द स्क्रीन दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट. अब इस स्क्रीन पे अगर आप मोटा मोटा देखेंगे, सो देयर आर 4 स्टेप्स दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो. 1 इज रजिस्ट्रेशन, 2nd इज फिल प्रोफाइल डिटेल्स, 3rd is select program and 4th one is payment for the form. So first look at what is a registration process. So as I have already filled in couple of details, तो यहाँ पे मेरा नाम डिस्प्ले कर रहा है, वो मुझे एक रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर दे रहा है, एक ईमेल आईडी दे रहा है और एक करंट डेट दे रहा है. You should have the screenshot of this. You should know what is your registration number. So please take a copy of this. Now let me go to my profile और let me click on update. जैसे ही मैं update पे क्लिक करूँगा, so it is going to ask me to complete the first step, which is profile details. तो मैंने अपना नाम लिखा है, अपने date of birth लिखा है. I'll just select the other details. So gender select करा, category I'll select, then I'll look at alternate email is not important, so you can skip it. Alternate mobile number, if you have an alternate mobile number, please do add, क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आपका जो मोबाइल नंबर है हो सकता है उस पर आप मैसेजेस रिसीव नहीं कर पा रहे हो या फिर आपके पास उसका एक्सेस ना हो. सो यू शुड हैव एन ऑल्टरनेट आईडी एंड एन ऑल्टरनेट मोबाइल नंबर, सो प्लीज एड इट इफ यू हैव इट. देन दे आर आस्किंग मी फॉर माई ब्लड ग्रुप, then they are asking me if I'm citizen of India. Yes, and I'll select my religion and other details which are related to address. So let me just quickly fill in these details. I'll just quickly do that. यहाँ पे they're asking me to fill in my details, personal parents details. So I'll quickly do that. I am just going to fill in the details which are important. I would suggest all the students, आपके पास जो भी details हो आप सारी भरिए, ठीक है. So I'm just putting in basic details right now. Emergency contact number, and they're asking me for my family income. Have you enrolled for MU before? If you have not enrolled for MU before, you're going to select no because हमने पहले apply नहीं करा है. We are going to be selecting no. And then they're asking me if I belong to other categories. So I do not belong to other categories. So in all of these, I'll just quickly select not applicable. Not applicable. No. Not applicable. And in activities also, I would say not applicable. Then they're asking me for my address. So I'll just put in my address over here. Because my address is same as my permanent address, I'll just click it over here and I'll do save and next. ओके, सो आर प्रोफाइल डिटेल्स आर सेव्ड. आपको मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी के फॉर्म में एक चीज़ ये ध्यान रखनी है कि आप जब भी कोई डिटेल का पेज भर के और उसको सबमिट कर रहे हैं एंड यू आर मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, प्लीज फिल इन द राइट डिटेल्स. बिकॉज आई हैव सीन स्टूडेंट्स स्ट्रगलिंग एंड सेइंग कि सर हमने ये वाली डिटेल्स भरी थी, हमने इस पेज को जैसे ही सबमिट करा इट इज नॉट अलाउिंग अस टू अपडेट. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर एवरी सिंगल पेज आउट ऑफ दीज 4 स्टेप्स जैसे आप भर रहे हैं, यू आर फिलिंग इन द करेक्ट डिटेल्स, यू आर चेकिंग इट 10 times एंड देन ओनली यू आर गोइंग टू बी मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. अब ये हमें डिटेल्स दिखा रहा है, मैंने जैसे ही चेक करी आई विल गो एंड क्लिक ऑन प्रोसीड टू नेक्स्ट. अब नेक्स्ट पेज जो आता है वो आता है अदर डिटेल्स. सो इट इज आस्किंग मी फॉर अदर डिटेल्स, सो आई विल जस्ट क्विकली डू दैट. And these are basic details, any illness that you require, continuous and emergency situation, medical, and then there is NCC certificate. So all these things they are asking me. So I'll just quickly do that. Languages, it is asking me, are you proficient in them? So I'll just quickly select and I'll do save and next. So this is other details page also filled. This was relatively easy and that is why not a lot of information was required. So we'll click on proceed to next. As soon as we move to the next page, which is proceed to next, it is asking me couple of details regarding my photograph, my signatures and my income certificate. All these documents have to be uploaded. This is one of the most trickiest page. बच्चों को इसमें बहुत struggle होता है. क्यों struggle होता है? एक तो the portal is smart enough to reject any photo, any signature or anything else which it does not find appropriate. So please remove any photo or any signature which is inappropriate or it is not following the criteria in which it is required. So there is a criteria with respect to how should be the size of the photograph, what should be the format, etc, etc. So please make sure you fill in the correct details and correct document to get it selected in first go. So I'll just quickly upload my documents and then we are going to move forward. Okay, once you have filled all the details, you have put in your photograph and your signature and your document, you can just recheck by clicking on this button. एक बार सारी डिटेल सही होंगी तो just click on next preview. And next preview में आपकी जितनी भी डिटेल्स आपने अभी तक भरी हैं, page 1, page 2 and page 3, all of them would be displayed. Please make sure all of them are correct. You have filled everything up and you are selecting and submit and log. तो यहाँ पे if you go to the bottom of the page, they are giving you an option of submit and log. Submit and log, once you have clicked, no details would be changed. So please make sure whatever details you have added are absolutely correct and then only submit and log. जैसे ही मैं submit and log पे click करूँगा, it is going to give me another notification and is going to ask me to confirm. I'll just click on I do confirm and I'll move to the next section. Now next section comes up with more information that they require from me, which is page number 1, 2, 3, 4 till page number 7. Now this page talks about program and selection. Now there are three things that you have to select. One is program level. Program level for all the students who are moving from class 12th to college, you have to select undergrad level. Once you select undergrad level, then come to program. For me, I am looking for post-graduation programs, so therefore I have selected masters, but you have to select undergrad programs. In program, select the course that you want to go for. You can go for BCom, you can go for BCom Finance and Accounting, you can go for BA courses and a lot of other courses as per given by Mumbai University. So please check that and relevant program can be selected. Once you have selected the relevant program, there is a long list of preference that the universities are giving you. Now understand that there are two kind of colleges in Mumbai universities. There are autonomous colleges and फिर कुछ colleges हैं जो non-autonomous colleges हैं. Autonomous colleges are generally those colleges which are private colleges or are independently managed colleges like Mithi Bai, even Jai Hind and Xavier's and all other kind of colleges which are independent colleges. Non-autonomous colleges are the colleges which are managed by the university itself or are government colleges. So you can select a list of preference कि मेरी first preference क्या है. Let's say Birla College I'm selecting. Second preference मेरी ये है. Third preference मेरी ये है. And accordingly I can select multiple programs, multiple courses and multiple programs in these courses. So ऐसे करके I can put in my selection on a random basis I'm putting, but you have to select after you have gone through the entire process and then you click on proceed. Okay, so it is going to ask me to fill in all the preferences. So I'll just quickly fill in all the preferences. Okay, once I fill all the preferences, I'm just going to click on next. Once I click on next, it is going to display me कि यार ये तुम्हारी preferences हैं. I would select on next once I have updated it. It is going to ask me for my personal details. Because I've already provided my personal details, it is just going to display मेरी personal details क्या है. I click on next. And then it is going to go for my academic details. Now this is also an area जहाँ पे बच्चे काफ़ी struggle कर रहे हैं. आपको ये इंश्योर करना है कि you are filling all the details which are right. So it is going to ask me for 4 kind of details. Majority is class 10th and class 12th details. So I'll just quickly select my class 10th and I'm going to start filling in all the details. Subject combination. So in this they are asking me for my percentage which I have put. I have also put in my division. So if you have anywhere above 75%, you are going to be fitting in division number 1. Then they're asking me for name of my institution which I have put in. It is asking me for the university or the board that I was a part of. I have put in that. And then it was asking me for all the subjects that I had when I was in class 10th. So I'm just going to put in that. Then I'll do this. So then I'll do the same thing with my class 12th percentage as well. Once you have filled all your academic details, it is just going to ask you to confirm your academic details. So just look at the academic details and confirm. After that, other details, it is the same page which you have already filled. So we'll click on next. Then it is going to ask me for uploads. We have already uploaded the files. Over here, it is also going to ask me again to upload my class 10th and class 12th certificates. So you have to upload a class 12th and class 10th mark sheet. If you have not received the official mark sheet from your board, please upload the screenshot of the marks that were declared through the online portal. So I'll just quickly add that, and then we're going to move forward. Once you have filled in all the details, the last second step is preview. It is going to show क्या तुमने डाला है, क्या details है. Just go through it and click on submit. As soon as you submit, it is going to display कि payment आपको कितना करना है. And once you select all these check boxes, once you confirm all these check boxes, you are going to then be moved to the payments page. So here you can look at the status of your application and you can make the payment. Once you have paid, your Mumbai application is done. One important thing that you guys have to consider and take care of is that Mumbai University का फॉर्म भरने के अलावा you also have to fill the form of those separate colleges to which you want to apply. So let's say if I want to apply to Xavier's, I'll fill Mumbai University form, I'll select Xavier's in that, and then again I'll be filling Xavier's form so that I don't miss out on the college that I want to apply for. So please fill both the forms to complete your registration. In the description of this video, we have also put in a document that you can refer to, जिसमें आपको पूरा process of Mumbai University and all the other top colleges of India has been explained. You can take advantage of it. And if you are interested in such kind of content and wants to get updated on the entire process, you can follow cutpro.com.